Hi Stats class, it's Miss O'Neill. Happy Cinco de Mayo and happy Tuesday. I'm currently in my dashboard getting ready to just walk you through a little bit of an update on your statistics courses. If you go and click on the general statistics where it has my name, O'Neill, the page will load. The home screen is going to be your modules. Think of those as your packets that I give to you to complete in a week. You will only have assignments on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so 2 assignments in a week. Every once in a while, I might throw an extra credit assignment at you. If you want to be able to partake in that, you can choose to do it or not. So when you're on the home screen, it's going to show you this week, the current week we are in. So whatever time you log in, it's going to show you the most recent. The issue with that is that many of you guys are going out of order in your work. If you know this is either your first time logging in or that you haven't completed everything that you needed to in the past, go towards the bottom and start with the older assignments, okay? Math builds off of each other. So if you're going from something that is supposed to be this week and then something that was from 3 weeks ago, you're not going to be able to flow correctly, and it's going to be a little bit hard for you to answer some assignments than others. If you are not sure with what you need to do, or if you would like for me to go and just send you an email about what you have done and what you need to finish, please reach out and let me know. I will put that together for you, okay? So, for those of you that may not have had a chance to look, the 4th marking period begins with the module week number 4, April 13th through the 17th. There are usually 2 kinds of assignments that I will issue you. The first is an example of Tuesday, Introduction to Ratios lesson. This is the first assignment that you should be doing if you're starting with 4th marking period work. This is called an Edpuzzle, and what an Edpuzzle is a video that is going to play, and it will pause the video at random times and ask you a question. In order for that video to then begin, it's going to require you to answer that question for it to continue. In this situation, you will go towards the bottom of the screen, click on load, and what it will do is bring you to a separate window, and it should have a video that looks just like this. You will press play and it will begin with you. If, let's say, you go and click the link and it sometimes doesn't work, you would exit out of that window, go back to your Canvas page, hit refresh, and then click the load button again. Sometimes it has an issue where it's taking too long to go from Canvas to your Edpuzzle, so it loses its connection. It doesn't load the video all the way. In those situations, exit out of the browser, go back to Canvas, refresh, and then click the link again. It will work. So that is one type of assignment that I have been issuing to you guys. Another assignment is, let's go back to the week of April 13th to the 17th. Your Thursday assignment gives you a lesson video where I explained to you whatever mini lesson I want you to think about. Then, what you're going to do after you have watched the video, you will then go to the classwork version of that. And the classwork, right underneath the video, is literally going to be like a worksheet I gave you in class. And it tells you at the top, if you needed to watch something before completing the assignment, I let you know what you needed to watch. Some of you are just kind of going in and answering the questions and then realizing that you're struggling with it. You're not following the module. It's very specific in what I need. Think about it as the idea of I have to teach you first, then you try. So same thing. Watch the video of me showing you it and then try. So once you have watched the video, you would come here to the classwork, click on the classwork assignment link. It's going to prompt you to open up something like this. You're going to click OK, and it's going to give you the document. The directions tell us that you are going to write your answers down on a piece of paper. So, for example, this one has 7 questions. I should see number 1. If you need to show a little bit of math, show the math, then put your answer. Number 2, show a little bit of math, put your answer. And then continue until you have completed the assignment. Once the assignment is done, you are going to take a picture and you can upload that picture as an assignment and submit it. If you are trying to submit the assignment, what I will do is show it to you in the student view. Student view is what you would see on your end. So if I go back down here, and if you see this little circle with a line through it, that means that this student, in my case, the pretend student, is late on turning this assignment in. There are due dates. As you can tell, I still can submit the assignment, but it is marking it as late. So let's say you went and did this document, you have written it on a piece of paper, you've taken the picture, now you're ready to upload it. What you would do is click on Submit Assignment. It's going to bring you down here, and you can hit Browse. If this is on your cell phone, same process. And then you would go and look for wherever you saved the document. Click it, click on Open, and then, if my computer would speed up a little bit, you would hit Submit Assignment. If you would prefer to text me the picture, you can put here, I sent work via text, and then click Submit Assignment. So that way I'm getting the reference, and if I don't end up getting a text message from you with your assignment, I can reach out to you and say, hey, I see that you said you sent it via text, but I don't have it. Big thing here, guys, is communication. If there's something that you're struggling with, please make sure you're reaching out and letting me know, okay? That's the biggest thing that I really want you guys to understand, is that we need to work together to continue making you guys have a successful year, okay? So overall, that is your statistics class. In this situation, you might have like a Kahoot review session, which is one of those ones where it will let you click on a link. You're going to enter your name because I want it to be tied to you. And you're going to answer the questions by clicking the correct answer. With Kahoot, it is a little bit of a competition. Obviously, I want you to pick the correct answer, but whoever picks the correct answer in the fastest time can also get themselves in first place. The first place winner, I'm going to award 5 extra credit points for their quiz. And in this case, your quiz is actually going to be the first one of the marking period, and it's this Thursday assignment, Proportions Quiz. I highly suggest, if you are just now walking into statistics, do not take a quiz if you haven't done any of the other assignments first, all right? Start with the older assignments, work your way up to the top of the module, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Enjoy.